Welcome to Luscombe's and thank you for watching this walk round video of this Ford B-Max. Just arrived in stock in part exchange. Extremely low mileage at 23,000 miles. Absolutely fantastic value for car, well specced. The alloy wheels there. Finished in bright red. Really is a nice example. It's the Eco Technica as well. Technology engine, so you're doing your bit for the environment. Rear parking sensors there. Nice and easy to navigate in the tight spaces for the supermarket. Show you inside the cabin. Nice feature there with the full panoramic roof. Gives it a real feel of openness. You do have the driver's armrest as well, which is tucked away. And with your cruise control there on the steering wheel and your Bluetooth controls. Does have radio or CD as well, which is a rarity these days. Some cars don't have them anymore. And down there we have our climate control, so there's no more just hot and cold in the cabin. You can actually preset the temperature to a comfortable setting that you enjoy and leave it there. All our cars come fully serviced and provided with a 12-month MOT. If you'd like any further information, please do give us a call.